Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your PS5 has the latest update and your phone runs the PlayStation app signed into the same account. Once ready, navigate on the PS5 to Users and Accounts, choose Link with PS App, and select Show QR Code. Do this now so you have the code displayed. This step is fast and secure. It creates a temporary token on screen. You do it to avoid typing long credentials and to pair devices quickly for control and transfers. You now perform the crucial scan. Open the PlayStation app and tap the QR scanner, then point your phone at the PS5 display. Align the code so the app recognizes it. Once scanned, the app will show a confirmation screen. Make sure to verify the account name and approve any permissions, remote control, notifications, or second screen access, so functions work. Once confirmed, the PS5 will accept the link and may prompt for a one-time approval. This secures the session and enables the app features. You finish by testing the connection. Use the app to navigate the PS5 menus, enter text with the phone keyboard, and control media playback to confirm functionality. If anything acts up, sign out and relink or review app permissions and network status. The most common hiccup is failed scans. If that happens, clean the camera lens, raise your phone's exposure or the TV brightness, restart either device, or fall back to the manual pairing code shown on screen. That single tip fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.